Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is the use of props, why we are using props. That is the basic fundamental of the React.js. Without props, without state, you can't handle anything. So these concepts you have to be very much clear on that, what you are doing on that, right? So basically props, basically are properties, right? So suppose we can say we have the you can say cart page, and I want the data of the home page which I have hit the API. I want to pass that data to that page, right? So how this can be done? This can be done with the help of the props, or those API which you are hitting on that page, you need to store it in a reducer and get the use of it with the help of the props method, right? This is the way, right? So here we are doing something like that, but I will not going to mix up with the reducers and the redux right now. So we are taking the simple example how we can use the props. Here we have taken one word that is called Monday list, you can say, and here we are getting the data grocery list, right? In the grocery list, right, let me open my project, that is VS Code. So here is my previous code, right? Grocery list dot. Here we have all, we have here the data is, and we are sending this data to there, right? And in app.js we have the grocery list and we are showing over here, right? But now we are going to pass the data from this component data and we will show it here. So let's check how we are passing the data into this one and get the data into the another component. So how I can pass the data over here and get into that component? So it's very simple. You can pass here name is equal to any name, and you can add, or you can just write this basis. You can say, you can add it over here with this one data. So I'm passing the data with the string test, right? So I can get it over here with the help of this dot props method. So here I'm also getting this one. I'm adding this one. This dot props dot, what is the props name? Name, right? So make it as a URL, you can say, for now, for mismatch, because I this dot props dot URL, and we know that what is the URL, right? So after let's reload this one with the terminal, right? So cd var www html my app ls, which one is the app is my app cd my hyphen app npm start, right? See what we have, test test test. Why? Because I am passing the data here. I'm passing the data in the URL field. So whenever I want to get this one from any of the component, or this is the grocery list component, so it is used over here only component. So in the grocery list component, I can get this URL or whatever I am going to pass it over here with the method this dot props dot with the key name, right? And suppose now I am going to remove all this one, this dummy data, right? And I'm going to remove this, okay, and I'm going to use this one. So here I'm going to use const Monday list. I'm copying this one and pasting this one in app.js part. So here I'm going to add this one in the Monday list. I'm passing this one in the URL I'm passing, right? And I'm going to copy this URL, and using this cross list I will use this one with the method this dot props dot URL, right? And it will map with the list dot id and list dot name. This will not in the right because it is array, right? So it will not going to use this. So let's save this and check this if there any issue. See, bread, peanut butter and jelly. So it automatically, whatever the data we have passed in this grocery list, how do we fetch that? This URL with the help of this dot props dot URL and mapping this whole object and getting the list dot ID and the list dot name, right? So this is very easy part, that is that we are using the props. And when which component we want to send anything, you can say we want to send the URL or ID state, anything you want to send, you can get it in the another component with the help of this dot props method, right? And and also with the name of the key, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand the concept of props, right? So we will see you in the next video that will be explaining the state one, right? Good day, have a great day. Please do like, share and comment and like my videos. Thank you.